Vamos a continuar con la tercera parte de los apuntes de para empezar, y esta sección está relacionada con el presente de los verbos con cambios de raíz, or we call them boot verbs. Okay, so in our boot verbs, we have a stem change. Now remember, our stem is the part of the verb that is not the AR, ER, or IR. So the stem change occurs in all forms except for the nosotros and the vosotros form, and we'll see that coming up in our charts in just a moment. Okay, so perder, notice I have an E to IE change. That's only going to take place inside the boot, so in your darker blue boxes there, yo pierdo. Okay, notice I still have that O ending, and I'm still going to have all my normal ER endings for perder. Yo pierdo, tú pierdes. Él pierde. Outside the boot, we have that E as normal, perdemos. We have that E as normal in the vosotros form, perdéis. Back inside the boot, pierden. Poder, my O changes to UE. That's my can verb. Sí se puede, sí se puede. Yo puedo, tú puedes. Usted puede. Podemos. Notice my O stays as normal outside the boot. Podés, pueden. Pedir, my E changes to I. Yo pido, tú pides. Él pide, nosotros pedimos, vosotros pedís, ustedes piden. Now these are my main stem changes that take place. I have E to IE, O to UE. Sometimes I have a U to UE, but mainly we have that with the verb jugar, and E to I. And some verbs that fall into these categories, we have empezar, la clase empieza a las 9:05 de la mañana. Preferir, yo prefiero bailar. Querer, nosotros queremos cantar. Pensar, divertirse. Despertarse. Sentirse. Mentir. Cerrar. Comenzar. Entender. Okay, moving on to our O to UE, we have jugar, which I mentioned was a U to UE, contar, costar, encontrar, recordar, volar, dormir, volver, devolver, acostarse, almorzar. My E to I have servir, repetir, reír, sonreír, seguir, vestirse. And if you notice, there are a few there that have that se on the end. Hopefully remember what that means. That means that it's a reflexive verb, and that's what we will be covering in our next section of notes.